Yes, what is cooking? Is this special discovery of 4 months. It has been cooking for 4 months. And in this video, I want to share with you what I discovered, how it has helped me create an income source that did not depend on me. First, I would like to thank you for watching my video. And if you like the video, like it, and please click on the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you can follow up how this story goes. Now, to the point, what did I discover? It is a platform that meets my goal for online business. You see, working online, it's amazing, but it's not easy. And I know many people desire to work online, but it's difficult because there are so many scams, there are so many untrue stories out there, so many untrue claims, and so on. So it took me quite a while to really find out what really works. But my story goes this way. In 2010, I had to take a course in digital marketing. Now it took good 3.5 months to go through the process of learning how internet marketing works. I did not regret taking that steps. One thing I learned after the course was that one should never feel it's too old to learn. One should not also feel it is wrong to acquire knowledge. You should not also feel that your profession is all you want to know about. It's good to widen your scope of understanding, your scope of knowledge, and see how bringing together different fields of study can help you become better at whatever you do. So in 2010, when I took the bull by the horn to learn internet marketing, I was really at that time thinking of how to scale down my activities in construction and concentrate fully on my ministry and my family. So it was good that I took that course, but it was not easy to really find something concrete that suits my conscience and that can really create the kind of business I wanted online. Now let's talk about my criteria. I want something that can run without me. Having worked in construction for more than 2 decades, I know what it means to be self-employed. I know what it means to just hold your business, and the business cannot be separated from you. It can be very tight, difficult on your time. It's even more harder than when you are employed as a worker, working 9 to 5. But if you master the art, yes, you can make your ends meet, you can do more things than people that work in regular paid employment, but it is not the same as being an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur owns a business, but it doesn't need to be there before the business works. He creates a system, a process that allows his business to run without him. That is the stage I wanted to go. And I know this may not be easy with active construction work. So that is why studying internet marketing in 2010 was a leverage. But you see, on the internet has so many offers. And most of these offers, when you go after them, you discover that they lack the substance of continuity. It even may take decades before it will work. Most of the claims you see online sometimes are not factual. The real process is not made known. And those internet marketers continue to provide proof all these claims so that they can get the most of people into their network and continue to make more money off them. So learning internet marketing helped me to avoid falling into many of those traps. So it took me really a long time to search out something that is going to fit my person, my goal, my conscience, and my desire to help others. So I was very happy when 4 months ago I found a platform that fits. Now, what makes it fit? Number one, this platform has a product that is in high demand. It is a software and hosting service company. Now, what this means is, for as long as businesses needs to remain online and the tools offered by the platform needs to be in use, this company will continue to pay its affiliates for as long as the internet exists. And as long as individuals who sign up for their hosting program or their use of their software continue to use the software. That was a plus for me. It was something I really wanted. I want something that is in high demand. I want something that has good retention, a very high retention, and software is one of those niches where you can get that done. Now, the second thing that gives me the excitement after finding this platform is when I take a look at the compensation plan of the business. You see, the compensation plan is not as you see. For example, the business platform has 2-tier compensation plan. Now, what this means is that I can train those on my first tier to make more money by using the tools, the software of this platform. As they make more money, I make more money. So it is a win-win. And that is what I'll be doing in subsequent videos. I'll be providing you with trainings on how to use those softwares for your own business or to use it as a service to others who will pay you. And as you become more proficient in the use of those softwares, you see that you create for yourself the process that can make you an entrepreneur. This is the story, and I'm very happy to share it with you, but it may not fit your person because it fits me because I wanted to be an entrepreneur. I wanted a passive income that is reliable. I wanted a system, a process that can run without me. I wanted a situation whereby wherever I go does not matter, does not affect my business. When I moved to another country, it affected severely my construction business. I couldn't run the construction because I need to be on ground. Now, I don't want to make that mistake again. I wanted something that can run without me. And finally, I found this one. If that fits you, click on the presentation button below and you'll get more details about the platform, the software, the hosting, and if you want an extra passive income, you can go for the business plan and become an affiliate. It's very simple. You are not obligated to join if it doesn't fit your person. The other reason is that today there are so many persons looking for work, while there are so many companies searching for people that can design their website, that can create lead capture pages for them, that can boost their presence online so they can generate more sales. And they are ready to pay a fortune for whoever can do that. But when you have access to a platform that provides you all the software, all the tools you need to do that, why will you remain unemployed? So, I am enjoying working on this platform. I'm enjoying the tools. I'm using the tools in different ways, like the video you are watching. The tools on that platform helped me to put this video together. Now, I use the same video to prepare the presentation the same platform to prepare the presentation below this video. So if you are serious about having a side project that will continually pay you passively without you doing any more than using the tools and promoting it to others, then just go ahead, click the presentation video, and I'll see you inside. I want to thank you again for watching this video. I want to thank you for paying attention, listening to my story, how I moved from being a construction engineer to being an active internet marketer, and how you too can leverage on the power of the internet to create for yourself a passive income or boost your present business online without losing money. Thank you, and I see you in the next video.